to Adam for being so gay and making a video about his bike. So I'm gonna make fun of him pretty much. Alright, so here's my bike, Verde Spectrum. Not that good, but I don't really bike that much, so who cares? It's alright though. But here we go. So I got stock rim. Look at that. Stock. Alright, we got stock pedals here. Oh, stock. Oh, it says stock. Weird. Oh, fully stock right here. Grips. Not stock. Bar ends. Not stock. Stock front rim. Stock hub. Everything's pretty much stock. Oh, this chain. Not stock. This does not come on a stock bike. That right here. You don't see those come on stock bikes. That's the best $5 I've ever spent. And we got flat tube. Pretty good tube. Been really good to me lately, so I like it. Yeah. So, there's my bike. Oh, stock.